How to find trail ruins at Minecraft. So just need to go to forested biomes like this one, or like taigas and stuff, or the jungle, and you will need to find blocks that are not currently or not commonly found on those biomes. So I'm just gonna search some blocks right here, and once we found some blocks, oh, as you can see right here, there are these blocks right here that are not commonly found on this taiga biome. So if you found that, what you will need to do now is just simply dig down on that blocks to find the trail ruins right here. So as you can see, you'll see different kind of blocks. Once you've arrived there, I just need to dig up just like so. As you can see, when you dig down, you will see all these different types of blocks right here. That's basically it. Now, if you don't want to take the burden of finding every trail ruin on each biome, what you can do, just simply make sure that you have cheats enabled or commands enabled. To do that, just click on escape, click on open to land, and make sure the lag command is turned on. Then just type in locate biome or structure rather, then type in ruins. And you'll see trail ruins right here at the bottom. Just type in that and click on enter. And it will show the nearest trail ruin, which is this one since it is the closest to me. But if you're not close to any biome that is forested or something, what you can do is do that command to go to the nearest ruin. But if you want to find all the trail ruins in your world, what you can do is just simply type in seed just like so. Then just click on enter to get your seed. Now just simply copy your seed. So click to copy to clipboard, then open up your browser. Now once you're on your browser, just go to chunkbase.com right here on the top. Then go click on apps right here. Once you're there, what you will need to do is just simply scroll down to the page right here till you see the seed map. Click on that, then paste your seed that we copied earlier. But make sure that it is set to Java 1.21, which is my version. And as you can see right here, you will see all of the seeds that you have on, or I mean, all of the trail ruins that you have on the map. Just filter out anything that you don't want to see. I'm just going to disable all of these, and I'm just going to put the trail ruins right here. So these are the trail ruins. But if you don't want to filter it out, you just simply need to click on everything else to see basically every parts of your seed or your map in your Minecraft world. So that's basically it. That is how you find trail ruins in Minecraft.